Got our reversal for Beyond Meat, everybody. Finally, the price started to move and did 2% after reversing right from the 90 cent that we discussed in the last few days. Many of you asking what's going on, are we going to flush? And we said there is a huge buyer over the 90. So in today's video or on our update today, we have to discuss Beyond Meat in depth. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So you see this white line, it is our current support right now for Beyond Meat. And once we tested this white line or over this red line, we got our really good reversal for Beyond Meat. So this is really good reaction that happened here for Beyond Meat. We got a really good reaction here over the 90 and we reverse. Now we have a little bit of seller around the 96, but not major one. The major one is still around the 109. But today it did really good reversal right from the 90. So what we should do for now, you see this white line that we bounced from today. We need to hold over it because this is where we reversed from it last year in the 31st of December. So it's really significant level to hold to confirm the big picture reversal zone. And as you see here, last time we tested this level, we did almost 31%. And now if we calculate here, we see that 30% or 35% this time should take us around the 125. So this is the next target for Beyond Meat if we held the 90 cent and break the 109. So the first level 35%, after that another 35% toward the 157. Let me just show you how much. No, 25% will be great. So 35% the first jump, second one is 25% for Beyond Meat. And as you see, it's kind of makes sense because once we have a huge jump, the second jump will be less because we're gonna trigger profit taking and not just short sellers. So this is normal psychology for traders because if you will be up like 35%, even if you held, you're gonna take at least 50% from your position, and this is will trigger the selling pressure around the 157 and first around the 125 for Beyond Meat for this year. This is would be a really interesting thing to watch. Hopefully we're gonna have the same action that happened for SXTB, the top gainer that we discussed today before the market opened. As you can see, this one have a reverse split and continuation for the jump, and now is around the 790. The best entry that we discussed today and the pre-market was here around the $3.50, I think, and we discussed for a really good entry and of course an exit. So once we enter, we suggest for always exit. This one it was on our watch list that we did today before the market opened. The price was around the 365, as you see here. This is the chart that we did on Discord, and we suggest to exit around the 440, then 5, then the 579, and now it's hitting $7, guys. $7.80, so more than doubled. So if you want to have access to this update, always we do in the pre-market in Discord in the link comment section below. As you see, there's always opportunity beyond meat. So there's always other stocks that always jump. Every day there is another opportunity. So don't feel FOMO if you miss those kind of stocks because they always come on our channel here.